Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to transform your long tees into a fashionable crop top. Firstly, cut it short. Now we need 2 thick stripes. Now we are going to cut it into 2. Now we will proceed to cut 2 long stripes with the remaining piece of cloth. Now we will cut one side of the end to make it a long one. Pull it to make it more long and thin. Repeat the same step with another stripe. Now we have 1 tee, 2 short thick stripes, and 2 long thin strips. So now you have to place a thick stripe over here, and you have to stitch 3 straight lines. 1 on each ends and 1 on center. This is how it will look after you stitch it. Do it with the other side too. Cut the extra cloth from both the sides. Now with the help of safety pin we will put thin strips inside. After it comes out of other end, put it inside the other hole besides it. Make sure they are equally long from both the sides. Push the cloth back and tie a knot over there. Do the same thing with the other side. We are done. Now we are ready to wear it.